Hi guys, welcome back to Skillary, and in this video we are going to talk about why should you learn Python and also what exactly is Python all about. So Python is one of the most popular language these days, and probably you guys must have heard about it, and that's the reason you have landed it to this video. It has created everything, like from Netflix recommendation algorithm to the software that controls self-driving car. Tesla is using this, Netflix is using this, all big industry people are using this. Python is a general purpose language, which means it is designed to be used in a range of applications. So we it has a very wider range, it has various career fields. It can be included in data science, software and web development, automation, and also generally getting stuff done. So that is where Python comes into play. So let's look a bit into the history of Python. So Python was founded by Guido van Rossum. Okay, so he published the first code to alt sources, that was 0.90, which was actually labeled as Python 0.90. Currently, I guess the latest version of Python is Python 3.9. Okay, but people mostly are using somewhere between 3.6 mostly. So yeah, Guido van Rossum built out Python in 1991. He published out the first code. And the funny thing about, or the funny fact about Python is, where did the name came from? The name Python comes from Monty Python. When Guido van Rossum, was creating Python, he was also reading the scripts from BBC. So there's a uh, comedy sketch probably. So in BBC, it was playing Monty's Python Flying Circus. So it's a comedy sketch series kind of episodes were going on, and he was just reading the script out. This man was reading the script, and that's how he thought of naming it as Python. So he thought the name Python was approximately short and slightly mysterious. So for people who think that it is related to uh, snakes, so sorry, it's not related to that. This is just in comedy. This is taken from just in comedy sketch. Now, the most important thing: what is Python and why Python? Python is a computer programming language. It helps us to talk to the computer, which is often used to build websites and software automate tasks that conduct data analysis. Python is a general purpose language, meaning it can be doing a variety of tasks, and it is not specialized for any specific problems. Okay, so it is very versatile. This versatility, along with its friendliness, has made it to one of the most famous programming language in the industry today. A survey was conducted quite a month ago by an industry analyst firm. I think the name was Red Monk, I guess. They found it out that the most programming language among developers in 2020 was Python. So you can understand how important Python is right now. It's easy to read. You can easily learn it. It's a procedural. It's an object-oriented programming, functional programming. We have concept of exception handling over there. It's portable. The code is very less, and the biggest thing is it is beginner friendly. The next thing is applications. Python, as I have told you before itself, it is very versatile. Why? Because it's a general purpose language, so it was not built for any specialized task or any specialized problem. It has a wider field and it has various applications. Self-driving cars, then we have Netflix recommendation system. All of these are using Python as their core language. We can create web applications, we have image processing application, CAD applications are using this. We can have audio based application, video based application, business application, data analysis, data science behind the data. We have computer vision on this. We can create desktop GUI applications. All of these are possible just by a single language, that is Python. These are some of the languages that you can land after you have a bit, or you are much above than the beginner skills, okay, of having Python. So after learning Python, you can just start with probably what people do is they select a domain and they learn regarding that domain. If you are someone who has learned Python and you want to move into web development, you should be knowing about Flask or Django framework. If you are someone who wants to move into machine learning, you have to create a roadmap for that itself. So these are some of the jobs that you can get. And just to note you guys that people with Python skills get the highest salaries in the industry, one of the highest salaries in the industry. So Python can get your pocket full of money. And last but not the least, as this is free and open source, so we have a very big Python community. So PyCon is the global Python community. And then when we have local user groups, we have online community, we have so many groups, so many communities who are always there to help you guys out. So that's such wider Python is, and that is why you should be starting out with Python just now. That's it for this video. This is Killary. I hope you liked this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Make sure to comment and subscribe our channel. And also make sure that your friends also sees this up. Thank you very much. We'll meet again in our next video.